Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 18 of our $50 to $5,000 challenge. Today we're continuing to trade with Olymp Matix and I'll show you how the robot handles the market with using only one indicator. If you want personal guidance or tips while following this video, DM me on Telegram. The link is in the description of the video. With that said, let's get to trading. Alright guys, so as you can see right there, it's our Olymp Matix trading platform. So I'm gonna be choosing our real account there, the one we've been using for the challenge all along. So you can see our balance there is at 2062 US dollars. You understand? So we're going to be using the stochastic indicator. So how we're going to choose that, we're going to be going on technical indicator and then click there, and the stochastic is over there. You understand? And then I'll be using Euro USD for the pay, and then on my initial trade amount I'm going to be using $20 right now because I'm already at 2000 and that's good. And then our target is going to be $200. We're not playing around, guys. That's going to be our target. And because I'm using the stochastic, I usually like using 1 minute time frame because 1 minute time frame usually works well with the stochastic indicator and the optimal risk. You understand? And then that's gonna be it, guys. And then we start. So now the robot is scanning. It's going to be taking trades based on the stochastic indicator. You understand? Right, so we've taken a sell on the first trade, and yeah, we're risking a bit high today, man. We're already at 2000 US dollars, guys. We started the challenge with $50. Come on, guys, come on. So let's see what Euro USD has for us. You understand? Okay, so the first trade was a loss, doesn't matter, but I look forward to a buy because you can see what the resistance or the support, sorry, of the stochastic indicator. And I'm gonna be sharing you guys everything. You understand? I'm going to be sharing the trade history. So this is our first trade of today, and it's Euro USD. You understand? So it's the first trade, and every history is gonna be there. And we're just gonna be honest with it, no edits, no cuts. I'm just gonna be fast forwarding in some of these positions just to keep time. You understand? So we've taken the buy that I was hoping for because we're at the support, we're at the bottom, right? So at around the 14 levels, and we're now risking $44. Why is that? We want to recover for the previous loss and make more profit with that. So that's how the optimal strategy works. You understand? So let's see what we have. Okay, that's gonna be a break even, so it's a refund trade. It's still fine, and we're still gonna continue holding. You understand? So yeah, man, the robot is scanning for more positions right now, and yeah, we're gonna make a lot, guys. Relax, trust me, guys, trust the settings, fam. Let's take another buy, man. Let's take another buy. Let's take another buy. We're starting a bit shaky, guys. We're starting a bit shaky. Oh, it's going down, guys. So this is the second loss, and yeah, man, we still continue to hold. Don't get discouraged. You understand? We still have a lot of buffer into our account, and yeah, losses are part of the game, but we just need to follow the strategy and be consistent and just relax, man. You understand? Maybe our time frame is the one that is doing us bad because we're actually like it's pushing steadily up, but then it then cuts the trade, you know. But we're now risking 209, so hopefully this one hits, because if it loses we're going to be risking 400. Okay, guys, as you can see, we bagged that profit, guys. We made 177 profit, and we're already up $60 on our account. As you can see, that's the profit there. We can go back to the deals. You can see our trade history. So we just took 2 losses and we just took 1 win, and we're already up. The reason is why we multiplied big. If we get a break-even trade, we lose nothing, but then it's gonna continue to increase our risk amount. But then everything's going good so far. We're already up $61 in 3 trades. You understand? In 3 trades we're up. So yeah, man, let's see how this trade goes. All right, as you can see right there, we bagged the profit, guys. We bagged. As you can see, already up $78, man. We're already like close to 100, and yeah, everything is looking good. Everything is looking profitable. So yeah, guys, let's still continue holding. Our profit target is 200. We still have a long way to go, and yeah, let's wait for the robot to scan according to the stochastic, and we'll be good. Let's go. Okay guys, so we just took 2 losses in a row. It's still fine. We're gonna recover that anyways. As you can see right there, we just took 2 after that win. And yeah man, let's just relax and just be consistent and not get discouraged. We're just following the plan. We're following Olymp Matix, the best robot around right now. So yeah guys, let's scan for more positions and just hold this next one. Okay, we're getting cooked, but then yeah, let's still continue to hold, guys. Let's still continue to hold. We're gonna make more than this, guys. Relax. It is a bit shaky today. Today's market conditions are a bit wild, I won't lie, but then yeah, let's just continue with the stochastic and hit our target, guys. Everything happens automatically. We're just going to be relaxing and waiting for our target to be hit. You understand? So let's go, guys. Yo guys, yeah, today is an extremely losing day. Like wow, look at the amount of losses I've taken. 1 2 3 4 5 in a row, guys. 5 in a row. That's bad. Come on. Yeah guys, I could it, fam. We could it. What a beautiful recovery, man. What a beautiful recovery, guys. Yeah man, we did the most, fam. We did the most. So already up $96 right now. And yeah, okay, it's coming, guys. It's coming back, guys. Okay, I don't understand why that is not updated yet, but then let's wait for it to take another trade, and then you come. I don't know why that is not there, because that was beautiful recovery right there. You understand? We made a lot, and we're up $96 right now, and today's conditions are a bit rough. I don't want to lie. So I may keep it up at 100. You understand? I may keep it up at 100. We when we win, yeah, because today, and I'm looking at the way it is correcting right here. You understand? It is pretty much yeah, it's correcting that much. You know what I'm saying? So we back this one. I'm gonna be out, like no cap, like no cap. I'm using risk management now. Looking at how the market conditions are, I think we were too much ambitious with our 200. But yeah guys, let's see if we win this one. Now this one has been won. As you can see, guys, right there, we took our win. We started the challenge at $2,062 and we ended at $176. So we made like $110, close to 120. And this is my trade history, but then it's not showing our recovery trade. I don't know why, but then we were able to make over 100, right? Over 100 using the stochastic, regardless of the bad market conditions we clearly have. And the reason is I'm also using a very high risk multiple as well. That's why it's risking so much like this, because every time we lose, just have to multiply. and then be by 40, you're going to 40, you're going to 80, obviously 120. When you lose 100, 200, when you lose 200, you're going to 400, and then 800. So yeah, it's pretty much bad. Looking at the amount of losses we had today was clearly a tough week, but then I'm able to risk manage it myself, you know what I'm saying? Because guys, you have to use psychology as well, you know. Have yourself a target. My target is usually $100, you understand? But then I went on ambitious today, but then we can see Euro USD is a bit corrective there, you understand? It is just moving up and down. There's no momentum like that, you understand? But we were able to adapt and were able to kill it regardless of corrective conditions with the robot. We were still able to make profits. $115, $120, that's enough for one day, because you guys remember, this is just a session of one day, right? One day we were able to make that. Olymp Matix was able to adapt to the corrective conditions we had today on Euro USD using the stochastic indicator. By the way, you can use any of these indicators as well if you feel like you like the AI MACD, but then test it out first and then see which one works best for you, and then you can then engage. And it's also important to also look at the market conditions you're actually trading, right? So if it's a bit corrective, maybe choose a different asset pair, you understand, that maybe has momentum in it. And then yeah, because when it's stagnant, it can be a bit rough, you understand, it can be a bit rough. And guys, remember, trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about managing risk and sticking to the strategy. Humans often make mistakes when the market moves unpredictably, but Olymp Matix avoids that by following stochastic signals precisely. So here is a summary of day 18 of our challenge. We started with $2,062 and ended the challenge with a whopping $2,176. It's another step forward. Olymp Matix handled the market perfectly with just using one indicator. Remember, consistency and risk management are more important than chasing huge profits. If you want personal guidance on using Olymp Matix, message me on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more trading insights and updates on our trading challenge. With that said, I'm gonna see you on my next challenge. Goodbye.